Alright, so today I'm gonna do a recap of the trade I took today. It's another one and done trade for the day. Uh, Today was this trade over here, $327. It was three micros. Okay, if I click on it, you can see here three micros. I go off of the 1 minute chart. 30-minute chart. But here on TradeZilla, if you can see, I entered over here and I exit right there. Okay, if I go to the insights of this trade, it says profit exceeded drawdown 21 times. Okay, so my profit of $326 exceeded the drawdown of -15. So that's 311. That's more than 21 times the drawdown amount. Okay, so it was a very good setup. And so far with this account, this PA account from Apex, I'm gonna share my performance, how it's doing. Profit factor 7.6, trade win percentage 80%, 100% winning days, and then average win to loss trade 1.9. So basically at an 80% win rate, I'm averaging 245 per win trade and 129 per lose trade. So pretty good. My TradeZilla score is 86.4. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to enter on this trade. Okay, if I go to my trading view, last night, right before I went to bed, I had set up this alert over here to go long. Right, mind you, I am on Europe, so by the time I woke up, I saw that the price came really close to my entry point, which was over here, and then it was already decided to go up. Right. By the time I started looking at the market, I had already seen these two 30-minute candles, right, that formed after rejecting this very close to my area, my entry point that I was targeting, right, 3.5 points away from it. So I already had a long bias for the day, not for the day, but I was looking only for longs, right. I thought that the market was already overextended to the downside, so I was looking for for longs. Okay, and then I started looking at this indicator here that I created, and I was noticing that the percentage change, which is a red line, right, was starting to angle up, right. And so I entered over here on this candle right before it closed. So I entered at 7:27, so 30 minutes before the candle closed, right. And I entered over here anticipating that the market, the percentage change was going to continue to change to the positive side, right. So that happens. I entered over here with I was confident in the trade, so I entered with my maximum position already of three contracts MES. Okay, my stop loss was originally over here, right below this candle. Okay, and then I got, as the time went on, I grew more confidence in my trade. I had this signal over here, right, which meant that the value area of this candle closed, all of the value area of this candle closed above the 9 EMA, the white line. So I was growing more and more confident on my trade. Moved my stop loss a little more, not to break even, just a little higher. And then, initially I was aiming for $500 daily profit target, right, which it would have been right around here. Okay, the market went almost all the way there, right, but as you can see, it started to pull back, and I decided to exit right there, right, 67.46, and I decided to right before London session opened, pretty much, right. And So I decided to close for the day. Okay. So, and now you can see it seems like the market is gonna keep going up and up and up. I am currently on a trade on an eval, right? That I went a little heavier on this one, and it was based on a pullback to this breakout level. After this candle broke over here, pulled back over here, I started entering over here, right? I'm trying to with this eval, I'm trying to pass it in one day, right? With Apex, I love these new end of day evals from Apex. So let's see how this one goes. Right now I have 17 micro contracts, and I got my pullback signal over here to enter, and then it seems like it's going on the right direction. There's about to be a percentage change, a significant change in a percentage gain on the MES, which will be another confluence to stay on the trade for longer. This candle is about to close in about 5 minutes, and this thing prints, right? Because it updates every minute, right? But after the candle closes, it stays there. Okay. So if this one prints, this alert prints, so that gives me even more confidence to stay in the trade, and maybe if it pulls back a little bit, maybe add a little more to try to pass this account, this eval on the same day, and then add one more funded account to my arsenal. Okay, right now I have for today this eval is not added to my trade sinker. Okay, but oh, and these two Tradify account, I forgot to set the yesterday I had set it to 250, and I forgot to change it. I changed the other ones, and I forgot to change this ones over here. But so today I added a take profit traded account eval. Okay, actually I didn't mean to. It was just that I got rebuilt, and I said, you might as well trade it. And right now it's 25,582 in profit, and I had to reach, I think, 1500. So I have 582 in profit, so I had to reach 1500 to pass it. I'm taking my time with this one. This PA account 29 right now is 50. It's at 820 in profit. This was an eval. This is an eval. I'm working on that one. Not very disciplined on this one. This is my main account that I'm tracking on TradeZilla that you saw over there. Right now 51,700 in profit. I mean 1,700 in profit. This is 150k eval that I'm actually kind of taking my time a little bit with this one. And this one here on 1,613 in profit, and this one 1,040 in profit. Okay, with the funded accounts, I'm locking out. The moment I'm feeling like this is good enough for the day, I'm locking out. Today, my profit target was 500 on the funded accounts, but when I saw that this one triggered, because I forgot to change the daily profit target on TradOvate, I saw that this one closed out liquidated at 250. I said, you know what, that's probably a good sign to lock out, and I just flattened all, and that was it, And now I'm just trading an eval, and once I'm done with this eval for today, that'll be it. I'll probably trade some options, and so that's it. I am done for today when it comes to the funded accounts. If this account passes today, I'll activate it and start trading it. Let's see how this candle close. But let's see. I don't think I have nothing else to say over here. Again, risk management, small position sizes, and for me the biggest change was switching to high time frame and just trade for survival and let the edge play out, you know. Because right now on these evals, right? I go back to my main one. Okay, you can see 326. Right now I'm growing the balance, right? And as I grow the balance, right now my maximum position size is 3 micros, and this move over here that I caught was with 3 micros was approximately 21 points, right? So imagine that now with 5 micros, 6, 7 micros, right? So delay gratification, as I grow my account, I'm gonna start increasing my position size and more and more and more, and same strategy, just increasing my position size as my account grows, my account balance grows and grows and grows, and I'll increase my daily profit targets to go. See, so that's it. You know, today it would have been right now it would have hit my 500 for the day, but I already closed shop on this one. So now as you can see, this candle, go back to these evals that I'm this trade on right now. Right now I'm in profit 1300. Obviously target is 3000, and it did print the significant change, right? So that's a good sign. So let's see. I got some more room to go. If I go to switch to the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, the significant change printed back here on this candle, right? So, and the 200 EMA is way up here on the 1 hour chart. So I have on the 1 hour chart a more clear way to these highs over here, but it'll probably close. I already had the profit, daily profit to trigger on 12/8 for this account, so we will see. Alright guys, video is getting kind of long, so I'll see you on the next one.